Hey friends, it's Bears here. Welcome back to my kitchen. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to learn how to make Haitian spaghetti. This is one of my favorite ways to eat spaghetti, and I'm pretty sure right after you guys try this one, it's going to be one of yours as well. So let's not waste any time and get right into the video right after the intro. that is it, you guys. Look how delicious this looks. Now you guys know how to make Haitian spaghetti. You definitely need to try it out. You don't have to add all the spices I added. I'll have the recipe in the description box below. I will let you guys know what is must and what is optional. Okay, thank you so much for hanging out in my kitchen. If you would like to support me even more, you can give this video a thumbs up. You can also comment in the comment section below. Comment anything you like, or you can let me know what non-traditional ingredient you like to add to your spaghettis. You can also support me by subscribing to this channel or by sharing this video with at least 2 or 3 friends. It's free, so let's have more friends hanging out with us in this kitchen. Okay, I'll see you guys next time in the next video. Ciao ciao.